Holy crap, guys. One of the biggest pumps I've ever seen in cryptocurrency has just happened today, and that's Wave. So if you're here, you know exactly why. Stay tuned and listen to the end of the video. If you like this kind of non-hype content and you're new here, I'm Jake, by the way. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you in other videos to come. I'm uploading altcoin videos daily, some DeFi stuff here and there, price analysis on chain and so on. So this is Crypto Bubbles. Look what's going on. So many projects have just flown today. Zilana up massively. Waves is of course up. All our layer 1s, layer 2 infrastructures, everything's looking amazing. And just want to show you really what Waves is planning to do. So where they are today, the Waves blockchain started 2022 with more than 2 million user wallets and a vibrant community. And Wave 22, you know, their roadmap is really, really bullish. This is what they want to do. And this is happening now as we speak, all of these protocol updates. But we've still got so much more to come. As you can see, just scrolling through, this project really has a long-term roadmap, and we're pumping right now, and it's only March. We've got all of this to come just yet, and that just means more liquidity, more interoperability, more people using the network, and more DeFi use as well. So this is just absolutely bullish. I'm really, really happy to be talking about this project today. Another bit of data I wanted to share with you guys is the altcoin season index, and right now it looks like we're still in a Bitcoin season. So we're getting these massive euphoric pumps, even though we're still in a Bitcoin season. And I expect to see this at least come up soon, maybe to neutral or maybe even to a full-on alt season in the next few weeks or months, which means loading up on these types of altcoins could be really, really good right now. Personally, I'm getting myself more Cardano, Phantom, more of those sort of layer 1 projects. And this is just a good bit of, you know, advice and also indicator to use, because it shows us the historical data that every time we're below this blue line, we do usually come back up, even if it does take a few months, weeks, or even just, you know, a whole year. It can still happen. And this is what we're looking at today. So Waves is a community-based stack of decentralized open source technologies to build scalable, user-friendly apps. And it's simple, it's scalable, eco-friendly, open. Waves today has a $5.1 billion locked into their DeFi, 60,000 daily transactions, rank 34 as well in the whole crypto space, and we can see very low cost per transaction, lots of liquidity provided. So big mover this one today. Unreal, 62%. Unreal, guys. $5.2 billion market cap. We were just looking at this not long ago and it's just popped off out of nowhere. If we click on that 1 year, look at the market cap, we can see it's pretty much a vertical line. You know, 2021, this still had a $3.5 billion market cap, but it's been in a lull. It went back under 1 billion and already we're up 500%. So let's take a look at what can potentially happen. I did a recent video on this project and I was telling you guys about these bull pennants, this ascending triangle, but more importantly, the key resistance here, because this almost looks like a double bottom reversal pattern, and we did pretty much break out of this neckline at $34. What also happened was very critical. On the 17th of March, we broke through this diagonal resistance, and right now we consolidated, broke out, we had another retest of this $35 resistance, and as you can see today, it's been absolutely explosive and the price has gone completely bonkers. We've gone all the way to $51, breaking out that $35 big resistance level, and even breaking through this $42 resistance, which is now flipped into a lovely support. So we can make these lovely lines green. Just bear with me here. Now we know this is all support, and this is also a support level. So what can potentially happen? Well, I don't like to use the Fibonacci retracement on shorter time frames, but I suppose I've got really no choice. What could happen is we just simply come back down to the 0.5 Fibonacci level here. Of course, it's not super bullish. I want to just tell you guys not to chase the green candles. Don't FOMO into this, but it can still create shorting opportunity, or even wait for the support to get tested, and then you can potentially buy your waves and go long, or just simply hold if you're feeling bullish long term. So we could come down to the 0.5 Fibonacci here. We could even come down to the 0.382 or the 0.236. These are different areas of support that we can come down to. If we're looking at the RSI, I mean, one thing that's a bit alarming is we are literally at 91 RSI, so you could potentially look at shorting this almost immediately. And here it is. So we've got our first red candle on the 4-hour time frame. Again, this is just going to reiterate those support levels, and the RSI is just rolling over now. So it's rolling over little by little here on the 1 hour time frame. Maybe, just maybe, we're putting through a bit of an ascending wedge as well. So we can see here, these lines are gonna be converging. I hope you enjoy this improvised trade analysis as well. So we've got a bit of ascending channel, rising wedge. Maybe we're gonna fall out, retest a lower support level at $47. I think, you know, when this happens, there's so much FOMO, euphoria, everyone's just FOMOing it. I think it can take away the logic if you're just chasing green candles. So maybe for me, what I like to do is wait for a bit of a cool down, a retest on the 20-day moving average, because if we go back, last time we pumped very big, we catch up to the 20-day moving average, and then we can sort of see, okay, what's going on? Last time we pumped, we came down. So it's a reoccurring pattern here, just scrolling back, that we always come back down to that 4-hour 20-day moving average, and right now we're super overextended. So maybe wait for a pullback. We could come to $42 before we see any significant price movement, but really we want to see consolidation now. We want to see consolidation. Here it is. I mean, just if I just let the video roll for a few minutes, we're going to see some crazy volatility, and right now we're coming down to test the lower support of this ascending channel. So we're getting that rollover. What could possibly happen? Don't know. I don't have a crystal ball, but I'm just saying be careful. We could fall out of this ascending channel on this 30-minute time frame. We could retest these lower levels. What do you think about waves, guys? Let me know in the comments below. Are you buying? Are you selling? Are you shorting? Are you longing? I'd love to know, because we did break out of this key resistance over here, $34. As you see, very big price move, and that was the position to go long. So be careful, be careful. We're losing right now. We're coming down a bit, $50.08. Let's just see what happens. If you enjoyed this video, please do subscribe to the channel. I will also give a price target just before I do leave, because I mean, it looks pretty crazy. If we do manage to find support here, we can take to the swing low. The next price target is going to be $58 up here at the top of our ascending channel, guys. So keep a look out for that. $58 price target could potentially happen, but on the short side of things, you know, we're looking at retesting that $42. So just be very careful. Research, do not act on impulse, and you know, stay safe out there in the crypto world, guys. It's easy to get liquidated, especially with high leverage. So if you enjoyed the video, subscribe to the channel. Come say hello in the Discord channel as well. There's about 200 people here, and massive thanks to the current patrons. You guys are awesome. Price of a coffee if you want to become a patron for exclusive content. So I hope you enjoyed the video on waves today. I know it's a difficult one to say exactly what's going to happen, but you know, we break out this ascending wedge. Good news, we're going to break out. For loose support, then, you know, do expect $42, maybe even a little bit higher. But yeah, there's the two scenarios I think is going to happen. Too much greed, too much euphoria, too soon. But there's always a bullish and bearish opportunity. So see you soon, guys. Bye now.